Welcome back to A&D Film Studios and welcome back to Ghost Chasers UK.
What happened last month?
We apologise for the lack of content last month. The internet was being useless, the video we made didn't upload, and by the time the internet worked, the video wasn't relevant. However, we have teamed up with a wonderful digital taxidermy 3D printing company who are helping us restore our Proton pack. Here's a little advert about who they are.
Welcome to the wonderful world according to digital taxidermy. Here you can make all your fantasies of sci-fi and wargaming come to life with printed models or just STL files, guns, props, figures, and detailed parts. Digital taxidermy really does have it all, and it's always done to the highest standard, with friendly staff on hand to assist where needed. With digital taxidermy, you'll get great prints forever and always.
Digital taxidermy are helping to add more detailed parts, mainly called greeblies in the industry, that will make our prop unique and look more functional. The prop will also be getting a new paintwork, an all new tone to it. We're protecting the prop as well as getting it ready for more appearances with it on camera in our photos and film work. It's a shame to have a prop not being used.
I'd say a huge thank you to the people at Digital Taxidermy for being friendly and for supplying us random parts to use. You can use these too. We hope to have a restoration video for you soon. Stay safe, Ghost Chasers fans. Over and out.
See you soon everyone, don't forget to check out Digital Taxidermy. And thanks for watching.